Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Canva and choosing the exact size you need. This gets you focused on layout constraints. Next, pick a template or a blank canvas so you control composition and import assets now rather than later. Once done, set your primary fonts and colors so every element stays consistent. Save a brand kit if you will reuse it. These initial choices speed later edits and avoid redesign work. Make sure to name the file immediately to track versions. Now build the design. You place images into frames and use grids to maintain balance because consistent spacing reads cleaner. Then you fine-tune images, crop, adjust exposure, apply filters, or remove backgrounds to focus attention. After that, add and style text with clear hierarchy so readers scan quickly. Group related layers to move them together. Once grouped, you can duplicate sections to create variations. Make sure to preview at actual size so proportions and legibility remain correct. Finish by exporting and sharing. Select the optimal format and resolution for your output because the wrong export shrinks quality or inflates file size. Then invite collaborators or copy a share link with edit or view permissions and gather comments in-app. When exporting, double-check bleed and color mode for print jobs. If something goes wrong, like failed exports or missing fonts, clear app cache, reduce file complexity, or export single pages. These steps usually fix common issues and get you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.